Yo, what the frick is up, everyone? How are you guys doing? Today was a absolute fucking banger, a plus setup. And this is the trade. So, I'm going to be going over exactly what I marked out, exactly what I looked for, and squasha bing, squasha boom. Okay. So let us see. You disappear with my self-esteem. Did I mention you were in my dream? Okay. So, going on the 4 hour, there are no gaps on the 4 hour. Everything is tapped. Also, we displace, what do we see? Market opens right here. We displace 600 fucking points to the upside throughout overnight. So that is absolutely ridiculous. So I'm definitely bullish on the day. We haven't swept any major liquidity source yet, so I am definitely 100% bullish. Let's go on lower time frame, see if there are any gaps that we need to hit before running higher. 1 hour, no. This already got tapped. Wow, 0 gaps except for this, but this is 500 points away. I don't think price is going to come down 500 points after it just went up 560 points just to go up higher. That's not going to happen. That literally will not happen. So then going in more closely or closer, we have, where's 930? Oh, well, what are we in? We're in a 1 hour. There's also this 1 hour that is unfilled. That price will likely want to tap and hit. We have this. We have these highs. So that's kind of what I'm aiming for. Let's go on the 30-minute. We are in a 30-minute. Oh, yes. Okay, we're in a 30-minute. So these are all just little confluences that are adding up to a bigger confluence, which is my bullish bias. So we're in this, and we are respecting so far. We tapped 3 times, and then we don't close below it. So that's a very good sign so far. And yeah, so let's mark out our session highs and lows. Did I mention you were in my dream? Wait, test. Okay, sorry, I just needed to test my mic. 19. Okay, dope money. So we actually have this. Actually, this is London high. I mean Asia high. London high. London low. I always have to remind myself, guys, to keep this as simple as freaking possible. Keep it as simple as possible. That's the only way that you'll make money, if you keep it very simple and stupid easy. Alright, so this is my checklist right here. Number 1, bias. What's my bias? My bias is bullish. Okay, so what are we going to wait for? We're going to wait for a liquidity sweep. This is exactly, guys, I would recommend you guys follow this checklist too, but you guys do whatever you want. We're in this 5-minute right here that we're respecting and we're coming out of, so that's even more confluential to the bullish bias. Let's go on the 1 minute now. Let's just see what's going on. We're in this 1 minute. It would be nice if we take out this and this to go higher, but let's see what it does. So initially trades higher. It inverses this gap by crazy displacement. You could take this trade, but this is already very overextended. I definitely would not, but you could have banked. That's kind of like a risky trade for me. So we see that price took out London high, which is the most significant right now because that is last session and that is the one that's closer to price, and it also taps into this 1 hour. So now we're just going for a structure to form. That's really it. We're just going to wait for structure to form. We have this, see if there's any gaps. 5 minute nothing, 3 minute nothing, 2 minute is about to open. And of course we have 1 minute. So ideally after this leg up right here, or like this leg right here, I would kind of want price to go back into this 1 minute to then pull higher, but we already tapped into the 1 hour and we already swept liquidity. So now we're just gonna wait for price to do its thing. A 3-minute just opened up now, 100%. 6, yeah, one more. Okay, so price taps into a 3-minute. 3-minute gap. We still have the 2-minute. So tapped into the 2-minute and a 3-minute. 2-minute and a 3-minute. That is very, very unfortunate. If price just decides to ride, bro, what? If price just decides to ride from here on out, that would be very, very bad. So let's just mark these out real quick. Okay, cool. Did I mention you were in my dream? Alright, dope flicking money. Alright, so yeah, it's tapping and it's a continuation, but let's just... I'm still waiting for my checklist. That's literally all I'm waiting for. So boom, we get heavy displacement down, and we tap into the 2-minute. We tap into the 1-minute. Or actually, we don't tap into the 1-minute. Okay, now we tap into the 1-minute, and I think this inverses. So now this would kind of be like everyone's kind of thinking, oh, AMD accumulation, manipulation, distribution, but it's not really that. It's just a fake manipulation leg. This actually does inverse the, okay, you can't see it there. This actually does inverse the 2-minute, and this inverses the 3-minute right here. So that would flip a lot of people's biases. This would kind of raise a red flag for me, but my bias is still clear because this whole leg down didn't sweep this, or it didn't sweep this, and it didn't break structure, so I'm still bullish. So now we have the last thing, the Ifvg. We have the liquidity, we have the bias, which is bullish. We have the liquidity sweep, which is right here. We tap into the 1 hour. It respects the 1 hour. And then we want to see price kind of lay out structure for us, which is coming back, tapping in, and then getting a tapping in for a continuation model, and then getting a Ifvg. So you could have gone on this Ifvg, but I'm going on the highest one, which is actually this 2-minute. That's going to be an Ifvg in a second. Come on, come on. Come on, this one should do it. Okay, yep. So 48. Now I'm gonna jump the gun a little bit. I'm gonna enter it on here, not on the 2-minute, just because that we break through this with major displacement, and once we tap into the 1-minute and the 2-minute, we get little to zero retracement. There's no red candles. So I'm gonna put my stop loss right at the wick, and I'm gonna put my take profit probably at a 1-to-1, like right there. And this is going to be the trade. So let's see how it plays out. And ka-chow, bang, bang, bang. Let's see, what if we moved our take profit here to get a something like a 2? Holy dog shit. Oh my god, look at this price action. I was looking at this later today. Wow, that was actually ridiculous. It does end up hitting though. What the fuck is this? 300 points in one candle. Bro, who tweeted? Who tweeted? What the fuck? I'm pretty sure this was a Trump tweet. I'm pretty sure that was a Trump tweet. This doesn't happen. Whatever, regardless, we hit our 1-to-1 flawlessly. This was an A plus actual A plus setup. That was absolutely insane. All right, just a little 30-second recap. Bias number 1, we were bullish. Because we were respecting Peter Rays, we shot up 500 points during overnight sessions. So usually, and without taking any external liquidity, major liquidity. So I am bullish. The next thing is the liquidity sweep. We wait for London High to get swept. They got swept. Also, this was perfect because there was a Peter Ray. There was a 1 hour value gap right above it, so it tapped in and it respected. And then now, as at this point, I'm waiting for a continuation trade. So for price to come lower, tap into it for value gap, and then run higher. And so what does it do? It actually inverses this for value gap, but fear no, not because it didn't sweep out this low or this intermediate low, and price ran through again. It inversed this gap, and then no. Ethernet bugging. Hopefully this recording doesn't get encrypted. I have no Wi-Fi right now. But anyways, so it inversed this 1 minute, and then I waited for this one, this final leg, to get inversed, which it does, and it also inverses the 2 minute for value gap as well. So you take that, and boom, longs all around. This was an A+. Let's fucking get it. Hope you guys banked. Let's go. GG.